In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use draw.io. So in order to use it, what you can do is you first need to head over to drawio.com. Just describe right here the diagram that you wish to use. So for example, let's input right here flowchart about photosynthesis. You can also add some more details if you would want. Just click on this generate right here in order to generate it. As you can see, you don't need to log in or register in order to use this. So that's a great thing right here. Let's click on this generate and it will open this new tab. Now on this, make sure that your JavaScript is enabled in order to use this particular service. So just wait for this to be redirected into the actual diagram wherein you can see the actual flowchart generated just like that. So as you can see, here is our actual diagram. So for this case, although Draw.io uses AI, you can also create your own by choosing in here some elements that you can utilize. So for example, right here, you can add some shapes. And in order to connect them, you just need to utilize in here this arrow that will appear and then connect it right here into this. In order to add text to this shape, just click onto this text icon and then add it right here, just like that. So it's as easy as this. So you can also explore other shape options such as miscellaneous, advanced shapes, basic shapes, as well as other elements for flowcharts, UML, AWS, as well as all of the things that you can see right here in their screen. Just expand this right here and then select in there the element that you wish to use and add it just like that. You can also edit it and change the color for those particular elements as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need right here.